Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a healthy, easy dish, broccoli and oat swallow. It is simple to prepare, very nutritious and perfect for any meal. Let me show you how to make it step by step. For this recipe, we only need a few ingredients: fresh broccoli, rolled oats, and some water. You can also add a little salt if you like. First, wash your broccoli well. Make sure your broccoli is clean because we are going to be blending it, okay? Over here, the broccoli is well cut, okay, cut into smaller pieces. Of course, you can as well cut before you wash, or you can wash before you cut. Yeah, it all depends on your choice, okay? So I added it into a water bowl to make sure it is properly washed, and I added little salt to it, okay? Next, now we are going to be blending the oats and broccoli, okay? Over here you can see me adding in the broccoli. Once you are done with that, add in your rolled oats and a little water and blend until it is smooth. If you have watched up to this point, it means you love our recipe. Thank you so much. My returning subscribers, God bless you all. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do well to support us. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. Now let's go ahead to make our swallow. Pour the blended mixture into a clean pot. Go ahead to keep stirring. Cook on a low heat, okay? Keep stirring for at least 10 minutes.
Come chop, no need to rush. This food not get this love, no hush. Mira, oh mira.
10 minutes later, add the blended oats little by little, stir gently and keep the heat on a medium as well, okay? As the mixture cooks, it will start to thicken. Make sure to keep stirring so it doesn't form lumps.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira, mira de cool. With love in our hand, you go taste them, you go understand.
So keep cooking until it thickens just the way you are seeing here on the screen, okay? So I went ahead to add in little olive oil. This is totally optional, okay?
She give you go you. Now kitchen be a sacred place.
If it is too thick, go ahead and add little water. When I mean little water, just the way I'm doing here. Mine is not too thick, but I just want to make sure the swallow is well cooked, okay? And if it is too soft, feel free to add some oats to it. Now cover for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, over here you can see. Go ahead to stir until it is well combined. Once it is cooked, turn off the heat, okay, and it is ready.
I rise off like Sunday hug, soup they warm like grandma's rug.
Wet your spoon a little and shape the swallow nicely, just the way you are seeing here on the screen, okay? Yeah, the smell is so amazing and the color is so fresh and green.
Oh, MIRA'S kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. In no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. MIRA'S kitchen, like the show. Our spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen.
You can enjoy this broccoli and oat swallow with any soup or stew you like. Vegetable soup okra, egusi, or even light soup. It is healthy, filling, and tested super good and delicious. Honestly, you will not regret this. Hope you try it, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. I will see you in my next cooking video. Bye.